Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Twitch app not working on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, update the Twitch app. Firstly, tap on App Store. Tap on profile icon and on the top right corner, check the updates app. If updates are available, update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is set automatic time and date on your iPhone. First, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on date and time, set automatically, toggle on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network settings. First, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen many options. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset network settings. These will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network setting to confirm, and problem is fixed. How to fix Twitch app not working on iPhone iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.